Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a trademark with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO. Securing a federal trademark provides crucial nationwide legal protection for your brand, preventing others from using confusingly similar names or logos. This process ensures your unique goods or services stand out in the marketplace. Understanding each step is vital for successfully protecting your intellectual property and building a strong brand identity. Before you file, a thorough trademark search is essential to avoid conflicts. Utilize the USPTO Trademark Electronic Search System, or TESS, to check for similar marks. You must precisely identify the goods or services your trademark will cover, categorized into specific classes. Decide if your mark is already in use or if you have a genuine intent to use it. Finally, compile all required ownership and contact details for your application. Once prepared, submit your application electronically via the USPTO Trademark Center. You will need to provide a clear representation of your trademark, whether it's a word, logo, or combination, along with a detailed description of the goods or services. The filing fee is generally $350 per class of goods or services. After submission, a USPTO examining attorney will review your application for compliance with all legal requirements. The examining attorney may issue an office action if there are issues. You must respond within 6 months. If approved, your mark is published in the Official Gazette for a 30-day opposition period. If no opposition is successful, your mark registers. To maintain registration, file a declaration of use between the 5th and 6th years, and then renew it every 10 years thereafter. Consistent use and timely filings are key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.